Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SOL2.0 token, also known as the SOL2 token. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 13th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the SOL2.0 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description. Let's get into this token here. So, SOL2 token, a safe, open, and reliable block connection bridge with the purpose of supporting on-chain inscription and NFT innovation, is coming to Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SOL2, SOL2, and then simply just buy the token. Now it says, please note that the SOL2.0 token is a project initiated by individual independent project parties. It is merely the name of the token and is not related to the official Solana project. Since SOL2.0 has a project with a similar project ticker name, the contract address is on Binance Smart Chain here. So please take note of this before proceeding with any deposits, withdrawals, or transactions. Now, this token is a Binance Smart Chain token, even though the name says SOL. And you can find their BSC scan, SOL2.0, ticker symbol SOL2, and it says max total supply here is 210 billion tokens. They already have 2,445 holders, so they're doing very well, and 18 decimal places on this token. Now, if you want to follow their Telegram, it is at SOL2 token, 11,356 Telegram members, 345 of them online. It's a great place to join the conversation. They also have a Twitter, and as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. Now, their Twitter is at SOL2 token, has the contract address. Now, keep in mind that is a Binance Smart Chain address. Very well established project, though. 52,300 Twitter followers, and they just joined in July 2023. It says secure, open, plus link. Now they have the Telegram there. They have their webpage linked on the Twitter. So all the links are basically going to be on here. On their webpage, you can also find a white paper, a document section. So their webpage is sol20.vip. 237 tweets. Their pinned tweet is their Mexc Global announcement. Now, they also have airdrop, giveaways, stuff like that. And they just posted the winner list here a couple days ago. So if you follow their socials, you might be able to get involved with some giveaways and stuff like that. Now, welcome to learning about the most exciting 2.0 project, the SOL2.0 token that will detonate the bull market in 2024. So what is SOL 2.0? It's a project that is secure, open, a reliable block connection bridge. In order to allow the collapsed bridge ecosystem to flourish and develop, it is conducive to the extension of the BRC20 and NFT ecosystem. So the purpose of SOL 2.0 is to develop a secure, open, and reliable block connection bridge to facilitate the access of use of more blockchain projects and to support on-chain application innovation. We have created a low latency, high scalability underlying ecosystem in order to allow the collapsed bridge ecosystem to flourish and develop. It is also conducive to the extension of the BRC20 and NFT ecosystem. In the future, we will further improve our ecological innovation capabilities, accelerate cooperation with other projects, and promote active on-chain transactions to access new applications. Now, if you are going to buy this token or sell it on Pancakeswap, you can actually do that prior to the Mexc global listing, and that is where most likely the majority of those 2,500 something holders got the token from already. On their document section, which you could find at sol2.gitbook.io/whitepaper. They have the tokenomics, including the contract address. Their contract address is also right here on the Twitter. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. So you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and then using that contract address right there, trade your BSC for the SOL2 token using that address, and you probably will not have to worry about slippage because on their documents it says taxes are 0% on buys and sells. Maybe you'll have to set your slippage 0.5% at the most. So how the tokens are split up, it says 5% of the total token supply is allocated to initial DEX offerings, providing an opportunity for the community to participate in projects' early stages. 5% will go to the team with a 2-year vesting schedule for the project's goals. 15% will be allocated to airdrops, investors, central exchanges, and launchpad rewards. 10% will be for development, the ecosystem's development, including marketing, community building, partnerships, and other initiatives to promote the adoption and growth of the project. 45% will go to airdrops. So like I said, they just did one on their Twitter there where they announced the winners. 5% will be reserved for central exchange treasury, and 15% will be allocated to marketing. Now they have a roadmap on here as well, starting with phase 1 is the launch phase, then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, 1,000 plus holders, get SOL 2.0 trending on Twitter. Phase 2 is community partnerships, digital newsletter, formation of the Discord, more holders, then they're going to have merch, academy, tools, and more holders, and more central exchange listings as well. So go check this project out, getting a brand new central exchange listing tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And yeah, leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.